Now, I want to revise inequality. Inequality is something like an equation, but it's not an equation. Okay? Because inequality can look like that, or like that. Right? Like that means it includes, can be equal to, like that means it's simply now. Everybody okay? Alright, now then. In the video I told you, if you add something or subtract something, the sign remains the same. If you multiply or divide by a positive number, the sign will remain the same. If you multiply or divide by a negative number, the sign will flip. Understand? Okay. Then I also talked about the number line. For example, your answer is this. That means I will have 4, 3, 3, 4, 5, right? Less than equal to 4 means it includes 4 and it goes this way, right? Okay, now what if it is like that? What will happen? Follow the doesn't include and it goes like that. Everybody clear? Okay, then one point I need to talk about. If all of you go to page 41, what example 1 actually is what I've already done in the video already. Okay, then if you look at work example 2 on page 43, can you see that there are 2 inequalities down there? Now, when we have 2 equations, we call it simultaneous equations, right? So when we have 2 inequalities, we call it what? Simultaneous inequalities. And the answer must satisfy both inequalities. Am I right to say that? Yes or no? Okay, now, I'm going to tell you this because a lot of people during the exam, they make this mistake. Okay, they make this mistake. Alright? Okay, I'm going to write this on the board. All of you look here. Find the range of values of x for which 3x less than equals x plus 6 and 2x plus 4 less than 3x plus 6. Now, of course, the solving you can do it yourself. Then the solving is x bigger than -2. Now, to solve it simultaneously means you must combine both answers, correct? You must combine both answers, right? Okay. Look at this one. I will have -2, -3, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Something like that, right? This is a number line, correct? Now, for this one, is less than equals to 3. So it goes this way, right? Right. How about this? Bigger than equal to, bigger no equal to -2. It will go this way, right? Where's the intersection? Here, correct? Okay. Now, this is considered working. I think I told you in the video. This is considered working. If I say to represent the solution set on a number line. Okay, solution set is the final solution. Okay, after I see this working, what is my final solution? X bigger than -2, but less than equals to 3. This is my solution set, right? Agree? You all agree? This is my solution set. This is just the working. How to represent the solution set on the number line? It will be from -2 to 3. This one follow. This one, sorry. This is the solution set. Understand? This is just the working to get the solution set. Because in exam, a lot of people draw this and they think it's done already. Alright? Get it back. Okay? You must have the answer. Everybody clear? Now, then, what if your 2 inequality, let's say go like that, there's no intersection. That means what? There's no solution. You just have 2 lines parallel and there's no solution. Everybody clear? Everybody clear? Okay. Now, the important Then you solve accordingly. You will get the answer. It's the same as having the word n and giving you two inequalities. It's the same thing. Are we clear? Okay, and what is this word here? It's n. It's not all. Understand? All means either one. N means what? Both must happen. Everybody, okay. Because next year when I do probability, this is important as well. Everybody clear? Okay? Alright, good. So, that is for this part. Okay? Now, I'm moving on to example 4, which I did not do in the video. Okay? But later on, I'll talk about with some more examples. Will that be okay? Alright. How come your laptop is not on the table? My only eyes are. Example 4. Okay, problem solving. Now you will say, where would I know I need to use inequality? Can I use just arithmetic and solve? If the question didn't ask you to do inequality, actually you don't need. But if I were to set it, I will force you to use inequality. I will say form inequalities. You understand what I'm talking about? Okay, now let's take a look at this one. And then after define $2 notes and $10 notes in an envelope. Okay. If there are more $2 notes than $10 notes, and the total value of all the notes is at least 190, find the possible numbers of $2 notes in the envelope. Now, we don't know how many $2 or $10 notes. You know all together for how many? 100. Who say 100? Very clever, or your uncle maybe go 100 because there are 35, altogether 35, right? So I'm going to do something here. All of you look up. Let the number of $2 notes be X. Okay? If there are X $2 notes, the number of $10 notes will be 35 minus X. Okay. Don't use X, Y, it's very confusing. We agree total is 35. Let's say I have total inside is got 10 pieces. I have $2 notes, so I must have 8 $10 notes, right? Correct. So if I have 35 and X, then it must be 35 minus X. Agree? Yes or no? Yes, huh? Okay, good. Now, they say what? There are more $2 notes than $10 notes. That means X must be bigger than 35 minus X, right? Okay? More $2 note than $10 notes. Okay, class? Okay, so this is the first inequality. Huh? Next, the total value of all the notes is at least 190. Ayo, 190. This is called a disease that was spread. After marking people, the handwriting I cannot read, right? I also write until cannot read. So the topic is your age. Now, what do you mean by at least 190? You must read caption carefully. At least 190 can be 190? Yes. At most 190 can be 190? Can. Not more than 190 can be 190? Can, huh? Okay. Less than 190 can be 190? No. You must read carefully. Understand? It can be a straight equality or just or equal sign. Understand? Okay. The total value is at least this one. That means can be more and can be equal also. Right? Okay. X $2 note. That means I will have 2 times X, right? The money value. Correct. Plus what? 35 minus X times 10, right? This one at least, that means must be bigger than equal to 190, right? Correct? At least, that means can be bigger. Will it class? Yes or no? Okay, now I'm going to solve these two equations. Now, X bigger than 35 minus X. Now, I bring over, so 2X bigger than 35, right? X bigger than 35 over 2, that means X bigger than 17 and a half. Okay, now this one, try and give it in mixed number, then you can see better. Don't give it in for pressure, you cannot see. Understand? Now, then we solve the second one. It's 1, solve already. 2x plus 350 minus 10x bigger equals to 190, correct? Negative 8x bigger equal to negative what? 160, correct? Now, I don't like, or I want to divide both sides by negative 8. Okay? Now, if I have a negative 8, this is not true. It's working from one end to the other. Tomorrow I'm going to start with your class, right? Immediately after your class is still over. So I can really explain what they do. But nothing is in the same level. Let's not talk about it. I want to divide by negative 8, right? I told you already, when I divide by a negative number, what must I do? Flip the sign. Must remember more. Okay? What is 160 divided by 8? Huh? 20, right? Agree, class? Okay. Now, do you agree that both inequalities must be satisfied? Correct? Now, I'm going to draw the line there so that you can see better. Now, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Okay? Bigger than 17 and a half will be like that, right? We must see properly. 17 and a half means here. Now, class, I'm very particular. If it's 17 and 1/3, 17 and 18, it must be nearer to 17. It's a 1/3. Understand what I'm talking about? If it's 17, 8 over 9, then it must be nearer to 18. I'm very particular over this. If not, you're not representing, just anyhow represent. Do you understand what I'm talking about here? Okay? Alright, then the next one is what? Less than equals to 20. Like that, right? So, the intersection is here, right? You can see it? You can see it? Yes or no? So, x must be what? Bigger than 17 and a half, and then less than equal. Here, right? Less than equal to 20. Correct? Now, the question asks for find the possible numbers of $2 notes in the envelope. That means x, you cannot have half a $2 note, understand? You understand? So, it must be what? 18, 19, or 20. Understand? 18, 19, or 20. Okay? Can or cannot? Cannot. Then I need to stress something. Because sometimes they will say, oh, the range is like that. List all the prime numbers or list all the whatever numbers that's in that particular range. Okay? Now let me revise. What are prime numbers? Prime numbers have two factors. 1 and 7. Okay? 1 and 7. Alright? 0 and 1 are not counted. Because 0 can be 0 times 1, 0 times 2, 0 times anything. There are many, many factors, so it's not counted. 1, there's only one factor, 1 times 1, and 1 is the factor. For it to be a prime number, it must have exactly 2 factors. So what is the smallest prime there? 2, okay? So 2, followed by 3, 5, 7, 11, not 9. 9 is 1 times 9 and 3 times 3. Are we clear? Are we clear? Okay, as long as you have more than one factor, okay, more than 2 factors is not right. So what do we call this kind of number? Composite numbers. This is done in set 1. Don't tell me you don't know. Okay, composite numbers. Okay, then I need to ask, what are perfect squares? What are perfect squares? Numbers, when I take square root, is a whole number, right? For example, 1 square, 1, 2 square, 4. What's the next square number? 9, 16, so on and so forth. These are called square numbers. Okay? That means actually when I draw, right, I can actually form a square square numbers. It's actually a number pattern. Okay? What are perfect cubes? When you cube root, it's a perfect. Sorry, it's a whole number. So first number, 1 followed by 8, right? And then what's 3 cube? 27. No, 3 cube is not 9. Because when you do until a bit mad at time, right? 3 cube becomes 9. Do you understand what I'm talking about? Yes or no? Okay, fine. Alright. So, are you okay here? Are you okay here? Now, what if my range is just now like that? But I tell you x is a prime number. So what is x? 19 only, right? It can only be 19. Can you see? What if I say x is an even number? 18 or 20. You understand? So you got to read the question carefully. Are we clear? Are we clear about this? Yes or no? Yes, huh? So are we okay so far? Yes, huh? Okay. Then I want to alert you on something. Okay? This is actually in your Sec 1 syllabus, but I think some of you might have forgotten. So I'm going to enlighten you again. When we have a triangle, let's call this A, B, C. Do you know how to label the sides? Opposite A is actually little a. Because when I do sine root, cosine root later, you have to know this. Opposite B is what? Little b. And opposite C is what? Little c. You don't have to tell me you don't know how to call this. Understand? Okay? Then, one more thing that you have to know is this. For a triangle to exist, right? Some triangles cannot be formed, that means you cannot even construct it. Okay? This one, can you please write it down? The sum, please write down now, in the text or in the notebook, of any two shorter sides of a triangle must be greater than the length of the third side. If not, the triangle cannot be constructed. This is something that you should know. Okay? statement here. The sum of the lengths of any two shorter sides of a triangle must be greater than the length of the third side. I think it's natural, right? You have two sides, the length must be, the sum of two must be greater. How can the sum of two be smaller? Then how to draw? You understand what I'm talking about here? Yes or no? Okay. For example, okay, is it possible to draw a triangle with 2 cm, 3 cm, and 8 cm? Cannot, right? Cannot, right? Why? These two add up is what? 5. This one is what? 8. Cannot, lah. So you see, 2 cm may be just like that, right? 3 cm may be just maybe like that. Depends on what's the angle and so on. Then can you ever be 8 and it will cut? It will not, because it's not long enough to cut. Do you get what I'm talking about here? Yes or no? Yes or no? Okay? Alright, now then another thing that you need to take note. If this is the smallest angle, this will be the smallest angle because of the way it opens. Agree? If this is the biggest angle, this will be the greatest length. That means the one opposite will be the greatest length. This is something that you must know. There was one year where the question in O-level say find the longest length. You don't know what they're talking about. The longest length will be the one that's opposite the greatest angle. Everybody clear with me? Yes or no? Yes, huh? Okay, good. So these are some things that I want you to know. Alright? Then I want you to take down one example in your notebook. Okay? In fact, there are 5 examples that we should be doing today. Alright? If today cannot, then tomorrow we'll continue. Alright? So let me just put this out. I'm going to copy the whole question. I'll give you the gist of it. That's it. Okay. Now I'm going to read the question to you. I'm going to write the sequence question on the board. Everybody listen up carefully. An IQ test consists of 20 multiple choice questions. So there are, this is example 1 in your notebook. 20 multiple choice questions. Okay? 3 points are awarded for a correct answer. Correct answer, I give 3 points right now. Okay? Understand? 1 point is deducted for a wrong answer. Wrong answer, I minus 1 point. Okay? No points are awarded or deducted for an unanswered question. That means if you don't answer, they don't do anything. Understand what I'm talking about here? Okay, now the thing is this. This person called Raj attempted a total of 19 questions. And his total score was above 32. Find the minimum number of correct answers obtained. Okay? This is something that the textbook doesn't give you, but the old textbook has it. So I want you to know this. Okay? Now, does it matter if the question is not answered? No marks deducted, right? And no addition of marks, so it doesn't matter, am I right? Correct? Now, I'm going to write some statements here. All of you look up. Let the number of correct answers be X. Let the number of wrong answers be Y. I want to teach you how to reduce it to one variable. This is 2 variables, right? X and Y. Okay? Alright now. They're all together 20 questions, but that is not the issue. The issue is here what? He attempted how many questions? 19. That means X plus Y must be what? 19 only, right? Correct So if I have like this, what is y? 19 minus x, right? Is everyone here? Is everyone here? 19 minus x, huh? Okay, now, correct answer is 3 points. Incorrect answer or wrong answer is what? Negative 1 point. So, what do I have here? I will have 3x, right? Number of correct times 3, right? Points. Then I must have plus negative 1 times y, right? Agree? If I have y wrong answer, I must minus 1, right? Correct? What did this rush do? We score what? Above 32. This must be greater than 32. Agree? I'm talking to you. Agree? Okay, so this is actually 3x minus y bigger than 32, right? Okay? Now, I don't want two variables. Can you see? I already know how to sub in here. Can you see now? This is equation 1. This is inequality 2. Can you see? Okay, so what do? I sub 1 into 2. So what do I have? 3x minus 19 minus x will be bigger than 32, right? Alright now. I'm talking to you, yes or no? Yes, okay. Now, have you completed the proposed question already? Are you done with that? Can I move on to the other side? Okay, so I'm going to solve now. X minus 19 plus x is bigger than 32. 4x is bigger than how much? 51, right? X is bigger than 51 over 4. So what is 51 over 4? Can you use your calculator and tell me?
12, 3 or 4.
Huh? 12, 3 out of 4. Okay. That means 12.75 also can. 12, 3 out of 4. Okay. Just now my question was what? The minimum number of correct answers, right? Okay? Now, can you see that the minimum number of correct answer must be bigger than 12 3/4? You cannot say I answer half the question, am I right? Not possible. MCQ is become. So what's the minimum number? What is the number bigger than 13.75? That means the answer is 13, right? He must answer 13 correct answers, right? The minimum one. Agree? Can you understand what I'm talking about here? Yes or no first? Yes, no problem. Everybody clear? Everybody clear? Can or cannot? Can. Okay, so this is what I want you to know. And also, there are some questions that are important and I want you to know as well. Okay? That's right. Okay, I'm going to write down the question. Are you okay with this one? Okay, next. This one is not easy, alright? This part is not easy. I want to see you how to do this, right? That's one was example 1. Now I'm going on to example 2. Okay? Now, given that, copy straight away. You all don't know. Now, I want to look at this particular question. After this question, right, I am going to just give you the homework for the day. Alright? Then I'm going on to further questions. Now, I want you to take note of. Can you see that this is all actually on the positive side? Can you see it? When it is all on the positive side, it's easier. When it crosses the zero, you have to be very careful. Understand? When it crosses the zero, you have to be very careful. Okay, let's take a look. Usually in exam, right, all these are marked 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. That's it. Okay, it's either correct or wrong. That's it. Alright, but can you see that it's actually quite a number of marks? Okay, let's take a look at the first one. Given that, find the greatest possible value of x plus y. For this to be greatest, x must be greatest and y must be greatest, correct? So what should it be? 7 plus 5. Answer? 12, right? Can you see? You must reason in your head enough. Alright? Next. The least possible value of x minus y. Now, first. Don't talk first. You want this to be the least, it must be the least minus the most, right? Then it becomes the least. Okay. Yeah, I'm talking to you. You understand? Okay. What is the least? 0. What's the most? 5. So what's the answer? Negative 5. Understand my logic? Yes or no? Do you understand? Okay, now, what if I want the greatest value? It must be the biggest minus the smallest. So you must think. Understand? Okay, next one. The largest possible value of xy, it must be the biggest times the biggest. So it's what? 7 times 5. Answer? 35. Okay, then we come to this one. What is the smallest value of this? Actually, if there's no 0, the answer here is 0. Okay, but if it's not 0, right, I want the smallest. It must be the smallest divided by the biggest. That becomes the smallest. Okay. What if I want the biggest? It must be the biggest divided by the smallest. Then you get the answer. You understand what I'm talking about? Yes or no? That's why this type is not in the lesson which I don't understand why. This is important. Okay. Are we okay that it's a 0? Are we okay that it's a 0? Okay. Next. The least and greatest possible value of x squared. What's the least? 0. What's the greatest? 49. 10? 10? Okay, then I want to tell you this. Can you see I say when it's bounded, sorry, it's all the multiplied is easy. Now, for example, if I give you x, can you see it crossed the 0 sign? That means I have. Can you see? What is the smallest value for x squared? It's 0. Because if you put negative 1 in, this one is 4. Can you see when you cross the 0 is very important? You must be careful. Do you understand what I'm talking about here? Yes or no? But what's the greatest? Of course it's 4 lines. Correct, now? 2 squared. Can you see? Okay, then I want to ask. See, I very horrible one. What is the smallest x squared? Still 0, very good. What's the biggest x squared? 49. Can you see it's 49? It's not 4, because negative 7 squared is still bigger than 4. Can you see what I'm talking about here? So, I always pray that the O-level come out, right? It's like that one. Don't cross the 0 sign. And what's more, the fraction even worse. You understand? Tomorrow I'll show you 3 more. Will that be okay? Tomorrow I'll show you 3 more. Alright? Okay, what's the number on the content page now for this? 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. What number? What number do I write now? Now I Who's that? Okay. This one will be in the notebook. This one is quite easy. Okay. This one will be on the foolscap paper. Tomorrow you bring, I will go through the answer. Understand? Stop the video.